Welcome to Agbiz Congress 2024 in Sun City. A great day we've had and great participation. Many topics have been covered, but this session has looked at sustainable agriculture finance, looking at the risks that are emerging in the economy and also the opportunities that are emerging in the economy. I'm going to talk about the session we had, sort of a workshop in Agbiz that is about financing sustainable agriculture and also looking at the risks and the opportunities that it presents. It was quite a very good interactive session. The members participated, but it was by BASA. The 4 banks attended and were participating as a panel. I was helping with the moderation. From Standard Bank, we have Brendan Jacobs. We also have from ABSA, Hamlet Dlamini. And then from FNB, we have Paul Makube. And lastly, but not the least, is John Hudson from Nedbank. Now, looking at the topics and the key takeouts from the discussions, it was about how the banks can support sustainability, and also more importantly, what is sustainability when it comes to agriculture? Because we know it's quite a broad term and it's quite common, quite popular these days. Sustainability when it comes to agriculture, we're looking at how we create adaptation for the business to the changes in environment, social issues, and also governance issue in agriculture. Agriculture is business. It is important that they embrace sustainability principles for agriculture to survive. It's very, very important. Now, it was key and a very good takeout, I think, for the banks to embrace sustainability and promote sustainability. And also, they are sustainability ready to finance all the initiatives that promote sustainability. Now, talking about sustainability in agriculture, we talk about adaptation, mitigation, we talk about resilience. The farmers have been doing this for some time, but it's time that the banks buy into these initiatives that farmers are doing. And agribusiness as an industry actually does. It is a resilience sector because they have adopted that, but they will do a lot with support from the banks because these initiatives, they cost money, say like drip irrigation, net shading for hail to protect their produce. And the banks, they're saying they're quite keen to look at that. They're embracing that, and they will start financing that in the long for the long term. Now, also that what was important is that the banks need strong partners in doing this because not all the farmers can afford these initiatives, interventions. They need to adapt to the climate and also support the environment, support society. That is the social responsibility that farmers do have as a business. They want to work with government, other private sector as well. So we are looking forward to a lot of subsidy that the banks can work with to support farmers. We're looking locally, we're also looking internationally. And we welcome the green bonds initiatives from the JSE, and we hope many asset managers can start looking at supporting the banks so that we don't finance these initiatives just traditionally. We need to be innovative as banks to finance these initiatives. And we should not make them prohibitively cost-wise. We must embrace and make sure that in the traditional place is not just the only space we're looking at, but also we're looking at innovation that banks need to come on. We are cognizant that banks will continue to lend through the normal criteria of lending because they have constraints as well. The Reserve banks need them to adhere to certain ratios when they do lending. But a lot of grants that can be made available can assist the banks to do more. Climate risk is real for farmers, and the banks have invested in that space, and they will need the support that can be afforded to support also the farmers. Banks borrow money, but grants will be welcome from other parties. But when we lend money that we've borrowed, we need to do it responsibly. So we know that we've committed that we will support agriculture sector with sustainability initiatives, but it comes at a cost. And we need partners to work together. So those are the important messages that came across. We continue to support the sector, and we are here for the sector as a bank, and we are here also to hear what the sector says, how we can intervene and support them. We have achieved that. We know what these farmers and agribusinesses need to do their business, to promote resilience, and also to adapt. BASA is very, very excited to have gotten this opportunity to engage with the farmers. We hope this is not the last one. We hope to do more, to engage with our clients more, and we'll ask clients to be proactive when they have challenges so we can work together, and we look forward to the next session when we can engage.